It's a lovely time. Usha, they are a happily married couple. They always stay apart. So KK and Usha are always poles apart, and that's what keeps them happily married. So
Sun is in the third bedroom.
and the sun is in the third block. We are around 30 of us on this balloon with this wonderful pilot called Ibrahim, who speaks very fluent English and is really.
International guest.
And these are our international guests. They are from Korea. Lovely two girls. This is Sonia and that's Tonia. So both of them together.
Say something. Come on, go.
And this is a lovely moment. And we can't see anything around us because we are completely covered by the clouds.
Now we go down. You have visibility.
And now Ibrahim will create the visibility and we'll be able to see. We will be able to see the ground. And you can see the cars. You can see the cars down.
They look like toy cars.
See the multiple balloons. It's a lovely view. It's a lovely view. We have come out of the clouds. We have come out of the clouds. And now you can see clarity. And you also show them the way fire happens within the hot air balloon. We have always spoken about this, and first time experience is something really mind-blowing. Turkey is a lovely, beautiful country, great country which has adapted itself towards tourism. And everywhere that we have gone, the hotels are very friendly. The infrastructure is fantastic. We had a 700 kilometers ride yesterday from Antalya to Cappadocia, and it was a smooth ride. In a couple of hours we were in Cappadocia, and Cappadocia is a place which is full of rocky mountains and caves. It is known as the cave city of Turkey, and our hotel also is in a cave. So this is lovely. You can see these are all rocky hills. These are all rocky hills below us, and it's really an amazing feeling to be in the sky. The Christian Chamber of Commerce and Industry teaches us that through business we should always rise tall, and that's what this hot air balloon is doing to us at the moment. And ऊंचे बुलंद इरादे रखने वाले Christian Chamber of Commerce and Industry आपका आसमान में क्लाउड्स के बीच में स्वागत करता है. वाह 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 वाह.
And Mr. Vincent Matthias, founder chairman, will always be remembered for taking the chamber to more than 16 destinations all over the world.
And always keeping us in the sky amongst the clouds. And this is the first time he's used balloon for a different reason. A man for all seasons, Mr. Sultan Vincent Matthias. 3 cheers for Vincent Matthias. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! 3 cheers for Ibrahim. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! So this is
memorable.
hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Wow! This is an amazing feeling of brotherhood in the middle of the sky, in the middle of nowhere.
Now time to pray for landing.
Oh!
Jogging.
This is really awesome, and we have crossed the clouds so many times in our lives through various flights to different destinations of the world, but being inside the cloud for such a long time is a lovely experience thanks to Ibrahim.
You're feeling it, isn't it?
Yes, we are feeling the cloud here, and this is a wonderful feeling, and Ibrahim is the man who is making this happen. So Jean wants to say something on camera. Jean wants to say something on camera.
I'm very happy to be here in this balloon. Christian Chambers have not only taught us to move to greater heights, but helping one another to move in greater. And today is a real experience.
And Stanley, he's missing his beautiful wife Juliet. What would you like to give a message to Juliet, Stanley?
Yes, sir. I would like to give some message to this media. Rajesh is always people around us, and we are also having foreign guests with us. So he is having a company. Thank you.
Yes, yes, Philomena. Are you missing your
No, I'm
husband?
not Philomena, I'm Florin.
But I want to call you Philomena. अरे यार हमको जो पसंद हम बुलाएगा.
I'm missing my husband in this hotel balloon.
What you would have done if you would have been here?
I would have hugged him and
Oh!
You can go back to the hotel and hug him.
Moses is also here. What would Moses like to say?
Yeah, I'm wishing my daughter happy birthday. Today is her birthday.
Oh, क्या बात है? Oh, what a day to be in the cloud.
Hot air balloon. I express my feelings.
मैं Yes, Usha, what would you like to say?
It's amazing. It's really dream come true.
Fantastic. And your dream boy is there. KK, what would you like to say? Or give us some tips for a happily married life. Still give you some time after 28 years. Christopher, what is your message? Come on, quick.
Happy to be on this hot air balloon with my wife.
लेकिन दोनों हाथ ऊपर करके बात करो. Honey, what did you say? अरे मेरा हनी नहीं है लेकिन हनी तो है ना.
It's a very nice experience.
No, she calls me.
And what was your experience in the clouds? Honey, what was your experience in the clouds?
Very romantic.
Was it warm? Was it warm?
Yes, very. No, it is hot.
विंसन मतास, सुल्तान विंसन मतास. आपका क्या मैसेज है? जल्दी बोलो.
It is a great feeling to be together like all of you, and it is a really, really wonderful feeling.
Not once you said you're missing your wife.
Walter. छोटा शेट्टी. So this is wonderful. You can see the city of Cappadocia and the most important lady of my life. Accidentally, she happens to be my wife. So what would you like to say, Shugra?
It is amazing to be in the family, in the clouds, and it's a wonderful feeling.
Yes, Aranja, what would you like to say, baby?
How are you so warm?
I wanted to catch the clouds.
Catch
You want to catch the clouds. Vivek the Mendoza,
Yes.
what is your message?
My message is that life is full of ups and downs, and right now we are coming down.
So this is wonderful. You can see the whole city. Sasha, what would you like to say? Nothing. You can see those all red roofs, and Ibrahim is really taking us down to the ground level, and you can see these bushes and these hills. Each of these hills have got multiple caves, because of which Cappadocia is known as the city of caves. So it is a mind-blowing experience. You can see this lovely road infrastructure and the cars moving around. You can see to a great distance that it is a beautiful terrain and lots of houses and lots of buildings in here. And we have just gone high over a small little hill. You can see a couple of hundred balloons all across you, each carrying around 30 passengers. And this is really a memorable experience. Thanks to Ibrahim. Ibrahim, what would you like to say?
I'm really enjoying to fly with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Mr. Vas, Mrs. Vas, what would you like to say?
Yes. One thing I want to say. Is this your first watch?
Yes.
Very good. This is my second. And I really enjoyed the fly with you guys.
We are happy, Ibrahim, that you are learning to fly this balloon with us. We feel very safe and secured. We feel very safe and secured. Oh, lovely. So you are happy for Christian Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Very happy.
Fantastic. You have got some pleasant moments, and the young Shakti wouldn't mind another brother or sister even at this age. So this is a lovely time.